Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wishing everyone a very happy Navratri and Durga Puja. Shobar Pujo bhishon bhalo katuk, and in today's video I'll be creating this beautiful makeup look which is perfect for this festive season. But first let me tell you how I prep my skin before puja and how I do a facial cleanup at home. I don't really visit any salon for facial and stuff, so this is the routine that I follow once a week at night only. As you guys can see, first I used a facial cleanser to wash my face, and then I'm using this Durga Puja 15% AHA, 1% BHA beginner's peeling solution. This is sulfate paraben dye, mineral oil and fragrance free, and this contains 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid and 1% of salicylic acid. Hope you can see how much I have used it up. If you have acne breakouts, uneven skin tone, clogged pores, whiteheads or blackheads, this is something you should definitely try out. This peeling solution exfoliates dead skin cell buildup and removes impurities from your pores to impart a healthy glow, and it unveils radiant looking skin. This minimizes your pores, accelerates cell turnover, it repairs your skin's protective barrier, it smoothens out your skin's surface, it tightens lax pores, it uplifts your skin, and it makes your skin really soft to touch and very baby-like. I keep it for 5 to 7 minutes and then I wash it off. A little bit of warmness or redness is normal, but what you should do is use a collagen based or a hyaluronic acid based or a ceramide based moisturizer. Definitely follow it up with a sunscreen in the daytime. Here I'm using the Durga Puja 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel with SPF of 50 and PA4+. It's super lightweight, fragrance free, it dissolves into the skin like water and it doesn't leave any white cast. By the way guys, if you are a beginner, this is the ultimate exfoliation for a clear and radiant looking skin. Every time you buy from them, Durga Puja will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. The Durga Puja has empowered 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. This is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. Moving on to hydrate my skin, today I'll be using this Numbers in number 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner. And then to hydrate my lips, I'm using this Blur lip gloss as my lip balm. It's time for moisturize your skin, and for that I'm using this simple hydrating lightweight moisturizer. To prime my skin, today I'll be using this e.l.f. Poreless Matte Putty Primer. What I really like about this is that it mattifies your skin but it doesn't make your skin feel dry, so if you have oily skin, you should definitely try this one out. Then using this Plum Master Strobe Illuminizer, it works as a moisturizer as well as an illuminator. It doesn't dry out my skin, it doesn't cling on to the dry patches, so if you have dry skin and looking for a good illuminator, definitely go with this one. For foundation, today I'll be using this K-Beauty foundation after so long, and I kinda forgot how beautiful it was. This is so lightweight, hydrating, it blends beautifully into the skin and it looks so pretty. Whenever there is any festive season or I am attending any wedding or function, I always go with this particular concealer because this is full coverage. Even if you sweat a lot, this is not gonna move or budge, and it doesn't crack or crease that much. For my brows today, I'm using this Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. This used to be my favorite and this is so good if you're a beginner. So here I'm just filling in the gaps of my brows and not much. Then on my cheeks today, I'll be using this Revolution Super Dewy Blush, and as the name says, it gives a beautiful glow to the skin, and this particular shade I absolutely love on me. Now it's time to set all of the cream products into place, and for that definitely I'll be using a loose powder, as you guys know. This just to make sure that your cream products doesn't crack or crease. Next, to set everything on place, using a makeup fixer spray. And now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. First I'm taking this beautiful brown shade from this palette. I'm gonna apply it on my crease as the transition shade. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Revolution. I'm gonna take this stunning red shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Once that is done, I'm gonna take some more transition shade. I'm gonna apply it on my crease so that there is no harsh edges. Now I'm taking this stunning blue kajal from Faces Canada. I'm gonna apply it all over my bottom lash line, including my waterline, and also I'm smudging it out with the help of a pencil brush. Taking this beautiful champagne gold shade and applying it on the inner corners as my inner corner highlight. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes and finishing off the eye makeup with tons of mascaras. Plum has recently launched their Chickaboo blushes. I have the shade Rose on You. This is a matte blush and it looks so pretty. For my highlighter today, I'm using this Nika Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Gold, and oh my god, look at that. This is so stunning. This is perfect for any festive season or any occasion. I recently purchased this Plum Matterific lipstick in the shade Bold Skull especially for this festive season, and look at that, how beautiful the shade is. I love the formulation, I love the shade, and this is suitable for all Indian skin. Then I added a small bindi, some earrings, and the look is complete. That brings us to the end of this video, you guys. I hope you all like it and find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.